Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Hi.
My cousin. She has fat cheeks.
We have fat chicks too.
She don't want to see her eyes.
Ba't hindi mo kasama yung panganay mo?
Vlog. Vlogger for life.
Jollibee for life.
It's not from the America. It's from the Philippines. And it doesn't have in the America. That's why she drinks bad drinks. That's why she became ugly. No offense.
It's just pride.
My hair is really
Yeah. Your hair is good and you look so bad.
AKA handsome.
Yeah.
She has a birthmark and she doesn't vlog because she's too shy.
I'm not shy. It's just that I don't have something to put on my vlog. That's why I ain't filming.
Okay. Vlog. I'm here at
Bye.
my aunt's house, grandmother's house. So bye guys, bye.